Hi, I'm Pierre from The Embedded Kit. I'm head of product and I'm in charge of the development of our toolkit dedicated for Linux. Why The Embedded Kit? We have made the statement 4 years ago that equipment manufacturer does not have the appropriate tools to build their equipment in the most secure and qualitative way. From our 20 years of experience inside the development of equipment for OEMs, device maker, we have decided to build an ecosystem of 4 different tools that will help device manufacturers to accelerate the development of their product and then to enhance their quality and ensure their long-term maintenance and cybersecurity. Our ecosystem is composed of 4 different tools. The first one is Welma, which is a Yocto distribution that integrates all the foundation of a Linux-based product, including OTA updates, secure boot, secure storage, a continuous integration to ensure that the equipment manufacturer will be able to integrate a real DevOps cycle that will help them to enhance their quality and their long-term maintenance capabilities. The second tool is Pluma. It's an automated testing framework that helps equipment manufacturers to test in a continuous way their equipment and ensure that the product will be delivered with the higher expected quality. The third tool is CV Scan. It's a vulnerability scanner that helps to identify the vulnerabilities of a Linux system and help to manage the life cycle of these vulnerabilities. We are fully compliant with the CRA regulations that are coming and help device manufacturers to ensure they will be able to identify the vulnerabilities, manage them, and share what is needed with the final customer. Our last product is Camera. It's a device management platform that helps to manage remotely your equipment by integrating data, remotely configure it, or remotely update it. All of our products are based on a philosophy which is ownership transfer. We are giving the entire source code of our product to our customer to ensure a long-term maintenance of their own product. For sure, we are able to support them, we are able to maintain them through a yearly maintenance that we enable for the customer who requests it.